Alright, so in this video I want to tell you about my new email program and how you can get it for free. So I'm here walking with my dog Nala. She wants to get into the ocean so bad. Imagine a golden retriever. It's like being in a beach with a coat, a winter coat. But anyways, guys, first of all, what is my email program about? The email program is a program that shows you how to make money writing simple emails, how to make money writing in the morning. And for years and years, I've been waking up, getting a cup of coffee, sitting down, writing for 30 to 40 minutes, writing an email, clicking send and generating sales without being dependent on social media, on creating content. Well, there she is. It was a matter of time. Without being slave to social media, creating content, reels, stories. Of course, all that stuff works and helps. But when you create an email business, you can literally just be making money behind the scenes without being forced to be appearing on social media, recording videos all day. And it's as good as it gets, because think about it. You just wake up, you get your coffee, you might be in your pajamas still, it might be 5:30 a.m., 6 a.m. You sit down, write an email, it's pure text. Click send, send it to the people in your email list. And from the people in your email list, maybe you have an email list that's, 1,000 people or 10,000 people. Every day you know that a percentage of those people will open your emails. For me, it's like 25% of people on my email list open my emails every single day, which is like 3,000 people. Every single day, 3,000 people read a long email, and a percentage of them always buy. And my income is very, very predictable. It's very consistent. It's very sustainable for the long term, because I know that I have X amount of people in my email list, X amount of people open it, X amount of people click on my emails, and X amount of people buy every single month. So that's one of my little secrets on how I've been able to make money for a decade, is because I have an asset, which is my email list, and I've been building my list for many years. And it's honestly the dream. It's the dream. It's every marketer's dream to have an email business, regardless if they say that they love social media or not. It's the dream just to get paid to write 30 minutes a day. So I'm gonna show you everything that has worked for me. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with my email list, and I don't have a big email list. There's people with hundreds of thousands of emails. So I'll show you how to make money with a small list. And I'll show you how to build your list. I'll show you the technical stuff, which is not very technical. It's actually super simple. I'll show you how to get ideas for your emails, how to write the emails, and then when you send the emails, how to make money with them. So for example, I write an email, I send it, I tell people to reply to my email, and then what happens next to close the sales, I'll show you all that stuff. I'll give you my templates that I use to close sales. What else? I'll even show you 150 or more of my own personal emails that have worked for me, and I'll even show you around 10 emails that maybe made me over $200,000. All right, so I'll show you all of that in the email program. So not a lot of people are teaching email, and I'll tell you why. It's because it's not very sexy for them, but I feel it's like the most sexy thing in the world, right? Just people lose focus with TikTok and Instagram and the latest, social media hacks, so they forget about email. And the reason you don't see a lot of content about email marketing, which is for me as good as it gets, is because in order for people to be able to teach email, they must, number one, have an email list, right? Obviously, if you don't have an email list, then you are not able to do email. Now, most people, most marketers and business owners, they don't build their email list. They prefer to just focus on making money with their Instagram. So they don't build their list. I'm telling you, even the advanced marketers and business owners, they just get lazy and they're like, why am I gonna collect emails if I can just make some posts and make money? So people don't build their list. That's why you don't see a lot of people actually teaching email. Number two, if you do have an email list, you must have generated enough money to prove that how you write emails works. And I've been sending emails for almost a decade and generated hundreds of thousands of dollars with my emails. And I'm not the most professional copywriter, most professional writer. I didn't even take a course on how to do email marketing. I just started writing, right? So I'll show you everything that works for me, the simple way, the minimalist way. And Number three, you must have sent emails and made money, not only quickly with a promotion, but for many years. And right now I qualify with those three things. And I'm not saying this to, I don't know, to brag or anything. I'm just telling you, like, there's not a lot of content out there from people that actually do it. And that's why I'm very, very excited with this, for this training, because it's one of the few out there that will actually teach you how to live the email marketing lifestyle, how to make money behind the scenes, sending simple emails. And yeah, that's it. So how can you get it for free? That's the program. How can you get it for free? Well, if you want to get it for free, there's going to be a link below to get your 14-day free trial of School. School is a platform that I use to build my email list and to build my group, right? My free group, so, and also my paid group. I use School to collect emails and to build my group and my community. And this is one of the best tools out there for that. And something you're going to learn from me is to build assets online. For example, an email list is an asset. A group in School is an asset, right? Because people have your undivided attention inside those places. So I'll show you how you can use School to build your email list, to build your group, to build your business, and create a freedom-oriented business. Now, if you want to get the email program for free, just get your 14-day free trial of School using my affiliate link below. There's going to be a button or a link. And when you get your free trial of School, I'm going to be paid a small commission if you decide to continue using School. And that's how I can give you the program for free. So you're not really paying anything to get access to the program, because you're not paying me, right? I'm giving it to you for free. And you're not even paying School right now, because you're getting a 14-day free trial. If you do decide to continue using School, which I highly suggest, because that's where you build your group, that's how you collect the emails. That's what I'm using to collect emails. If you are part of my free group and School, you know that's what I use. You know that's literally, I'm actually doing what I teach. And if you do decide to continue using it, yes, I will get paid a small commission. So that's how it works. And even if you don't continue using School, even if you decide, oh, it's not for me, all good. You can continue getting access to the email program. You will have lifetime access, even if you feel it's not for you, all right? There are limited spots for this deal, so if you're interested in getting my email program for free and living the email marketing lifestyle where you can travel to any country around the world, take your laptop, write every morning for 30, 40 minutes, and generate 5 figures and above, doing that, very, very simple, then get your 14-day free trial of School. Below the screenshot showing that you created your group, you're gonna see more instructions, and then you're gonna be receiving access to the program completely free, right? You have nothing to lose. You have absolutely nothing to lose, only upside in this offer. Why? Because you're not paying me and you're not paying School. You have a 14-day free trial to test it out. And here's the thing, guys. In the program, I'm going to show you how to use School. I'm going to show you how to close sales using School, how to generate income, not only with your own products, if you have your own products, a coaching program, a course, a service, but also promoting other people's products. Maybe you don't have your own consulting offer, maybe you don't have your own service, maybe you don't have your own coaching. You can sell other people's products as an affiliate and make money inside your group, inside your email list. You know, I'm also an affiliate. For example, I get paid a commission from School. School is not my own product. I make money in commissions, right? So I'll show you how you can sell your own products, but also how to sell other people's products inside your School group and email list. And there's another way to make money, which is also promoting School, but I'll tell you more about that as well in the program. So anyways, click below, get your 14-day free trial of School, watch the training to learn how to use it. Let's make money and take action, because I don't know how long this offer will be available. All right? I'm gonna go play with Nala, get into the ocean. It's beautiful. Take a look at how sunny it is. And she's having so much fun. All right, guys. Talk soon. Ciao. Peace.